Alright guys, we're up here in Bloomington, Illinois, and we are on the Union Pacific line, and we do have a diamond right here. I'm gonna go check it out. Got the lights there, and it looks like we got a yard. Yeah, we got a yard down here. It's like the Union Pacific yard. So we're gonna go and check that out and check out some of these lights. And we have a diamond here. I don't know if it's some short line that runs through here or what, but there's two diamonds. There's a diamond here and a diamond over yonder over here. But this is the Bloomington train tracks right here. So we're gonna go check it out and see what we got here in Bloomington, Illinois. Union Pacific. See that guy down there in the light green vest? He's hooking them hoppers up. I think they're getting this train ready to go. Yep, there he goes. He's getting down now. Let's see if he takes on down the road there and see if he hooks anything else up. He's heading down the train, so you can see him. He's in that van, which I thought was Halicon. It may not be, but I thought it was. They're getting it ready to go. Hopefully I'll catch him take off. Here we are up here in Bloomington, Illinois. Looks like they got their work engine up here. Might be an old Burlington Northern. Or it could be a short line of some kind. It's hard to tell. Well, looks like he triggered the gates. They're down. We're still waiting. Oh wait, we may have another one coming here. You know, I thought I heard an Amtrak horn, and I think that's what this is. That's what he's waiting on. Yep, that's exactly what he's waiting on. Well, there he goes, Amtrak. I didn't expect that, making his way down the line. I'll have to check. I'm not sure if that's the Lincoln Service. But there he goes. I wonder what he was waiting on. There was a green light. I know he's waiting on Amtrak, so we'll pick it back up here in just a minute. All right, check out this signage. Do not stop. High-speed trains, longer gate times. And this is the big one here. $500 fine for any motorist or pedestrian who violates railroad warning devices. Wow. That's pretty interesting. It's kind of an interesting crossing here too. We got two diamonds. One here on the Union Pacific line, and then another one on the siding. Oh, it's like we may get going here. I heard a departure horn. But so yeah, we got two diamonds out here, and like I said, I can't see. I wish I could see those overhead signals. But I think he's probably going to be going. He's just letting Amtrak get down the line a little bit. That says that's a Canadian Pacific line there. CP owns it. So that's possible. We're going to check and see if this guy's going to make his way down the line. He appears to be moving now. And we did hear his departure horn. Amtrak came up out of nowhere. They came out of, this line runs up into Normal, Illinois. Also the home of Illinois State. The Redbirds. We're gonna go up there and check that Amtrak station out too. Well, he is moving down slowly. Watch him snake on the main. There he goes. Yep, I just heard the, yeah, this is the main track here. I just heard the switch. All right, here we go. Heard that automatic switch. And here we go, Union Pacific. He's getting ready to hit the diamond. This is the one we saw hooked up in the yard. It's 4656. No flag, and 49.85. Getting ready to hit the diamond. See if we can shoot in down there. A couple of box cars on the end down here. There's a Herzog on there. Herzog Rock Train. Couple big old box cars here on the end. All right, there he goes. Yeah, this is up here, Union Pacific on Washington Street. I'm up here on Washington Street. You always tell it's Union Pacific because it's got the black fence around it. That's about like it is in Springfield, Illinois. Same way, they've got the black fence. Yep, he is taking it slow. He's slowing down. All right, well, it's cool to catch him. So, all right, guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, please subscribe to my channel for more content. We'll see you on the next video. Alright guys, we got the switcher on the move here. Well, I don't need the switcher, I mean Alright, we got this Union Pacific on the move here. Showed up, so it makes me wonder if we've got